Hello, I'm Dr. Weston Umstead, Senior Product Manager for Chiral Technologies. I think Chiral SFC in particular has been really interesting, especially coupling it now with mass spectrometry, which was not something that was widely done a few years ago. But the push towards high throughput screening now, especially chemists have gone from having to screen hundreds of compounds a week to thousands of compounds a week. So coupling all these different techniques together, mass spec allows us to look at things like biologics, peptides, oligonucleotides. It's been really interesting to see the advancements in that space. Well, we've been dealing with amylose and cellulose polysaccharides for a while in the sort of the chiral stationary phase realm, cyclodextrins, chirobiotic phases, and they work well for the omics applications, tides, oligonucleotides, peptides. But I think we'll probably see some innovation over the next 10 or 20 years to start solving those problems a little bit more because they're bigger molecules, they're a little bit more challenging with the current tools that we have. I think one of the biggest challenges is just understanding the chiral separations mechanism. We know what the interactions are that take place on the column, but it's really hard to predict them and notice or see what frequency is taking place. So if we have a better way to understand those, we'll probably start to see a little bit more harnessing of AI to be able to model these sorts of predictions. And you might even start to see some new stationary phases develop as a result of knowing exactly what's happening on the column. So we have almost 1,200 products or more now in our product catalog. They differ in particle size and column dimension, coated versus immobilized technology, and it's not always easy to navigate which column should be used for a particular application. So I definitely wish clients knew more about the uniqueness perhaps of our product naming. And obviously we can provide support in doing that, but that's an area that trips people up oftentimes trying to figure out which column they should be using based on the 1,200 or so products that we have available. To learn more about our lab, our staff, our services, or our products, you can visit us at www.chiraltech.com or follow us on social media at Chiral Technologies.